Composite materials are changing how engineers solve complex performance challenges. By combining different materials into one engineered system, composites can deliver lightweight strength, dimensional stability, and resistance to wear, corrosion, chemicals, and extreme operating conditions where traditional materials may fall short. A composite is made by combining two or more materials with different properties. The result is a material system designed for a specific purpose, such as improving strength, reducing weight, increasing stiffness, or enhancing thermal and wear performance. The idea of composites is not new. Ancient builders combined natural materials like mud, straw, wood, and clay for stronger structures. Later, synthetic resins, bakelite, and fiberglass helped launch the modern composites industry. Composites matter because they can be engineered for demanding environments. They help components perform under pressure, temperature, chemical exposure, friction, and wear while supporting improved reliability and efficiency. Composite manufacturing includes several methods. Filament winding reinforces strength through resin-impregnated fiber. Hand layup and tape laying control material direction. Injection, compression, and melt molding help produce precise, repeatable parts. Composites are useful when one material cannot meet every requirement. They can combine chemical resistance, flexibility, strength, low friction, and wear resistance into one solution for critical components and severe operating conditions. CDI Products develops engineered and advanced composite materials for demanding applications. These materials may be used in sealing systems, pump and valve components, compressor applications, downhole tools, aerospace components, and other equipment exposed to pressure, temperature, wear, or corrosive media. CDI's capabilities include sinter mesh, carbon fiber composites, nanocomposites, continuous fiber composites, and specialized bonding across plastics, metals, and elastomers. Composites continue to expand what is possible in material science and manufacturing. From sealing components and anti-extrusion systems to lightweight structural parts and bonded material assemblies, composites help solve application challenges involving wear, corrosion, pressure, temperature, and dimensional stability. CDI Products brings material science, engineering, manufacturing, and bonding expertise together to help customers develop solutions for complex operating conditions.
Thank you for watching. For innovative solutions and engineered precision, visit cdiproducts.com. Let CDI Products be your trusted partner for your next project.